Well, at least I think there is some good things about the coronavirus. I don't have school.
Wait a minute!
You're having online class. I do not want to hear any excuses.
Ugh. You're right.
Hi
This freaking
class.
sucks.
Today we will be leaving early. Except for Pinkfong because he is staying until 9 p.m.
Hey Floppy. I love you.
Echo just great.
You're
I
kicked
did
out
not
of
know
the
that would
session for
happen.
dating on
This
class.
is gonna be a painful day. How unfair was that? I literally spent all the day in a painful chair without breaks. All just for ditching class a lot of times to go hang out with Baby Shark or going to Panda Express. I mean, how bad is that? This really sucks. I thought we did not have online class today. And I'm probably gonna stay until 5 p.m. tomorrow. How about I call Ollie for ideas? I almost have never told him for ideas.
Hello there, Pinkfong. What is it?
Ollie, you won't believe it. I was 13 hours in online class to do all my missing work. Such a freaking painful day.
Actually, I also had a painful day in online class. I was literally kicked out of the class for drawing poop on the screen.
Well duh. Our teachers are so bad. Anyways, I was gonna tell you if there is a way to get rid of everyone. So I don't have online class and get everyone what they deserve.
Oh lord. Yes. I have an awesome one. That might even kill your parents. Is there a dam near your house?
Oh. Yes. There's one, but I don't know if it's close.
Oh. That's good. Well, you can steal a military plane and throw missiles to the dam's wall. Then it can cause a massive flood in the city. You should probably call Hoagie to help you.
Oh my god. Such a good idea. Maybe they might not even know it was us. I'm gonna set up the plan when my parents are sleeping and sneak out.
Ollie. Who were you talking to? I heard you talk about telling someone to break a dam.
Oh. I was talking to myself.
You really think I'm a fool? I know you were talking to someone. Tell me now or I'll call other sharks to eat you.
Okay. I was talking to Pinkfong to give him ideas and break a dam.
It's time to go to sleep, Pinkfong.
Yeah. I know that. Goodbye now. Alright. It's the perfect time to sneak out. Get out of my house. So hey Pinkfong. I didn't see you there. Hello Hoagie. Basically I was gonna tell you that I'm planning to flood all of the city. Oh. That's a great thing to do. How are we gonna do that? Well, basically just break a dam's wall and cause a massive flood in the city. And I'm sure you can help me with this. Yes I can. Actually, I have a military plane on my secret base. Wait. What? Holy freak. That's literally so epic and incredible. You freaking have a military airplane. Yes I do. So we can go there and throw missiles at the dam's wall. The base is actually inside of the house. Wow. Let's go and see. So here is my secret room. Let me show you. Oh. My. Gosh. This freaking gotta be one of the most epic things in my life. Oh. Thanks. Anyways, when do you want us to go and destroy that dam's wall?
Well, I think right now.
Oh. Okay. I will be preparing everything. In the meanwhile, if you want, you can go smoke or something.
Okay.
Okay. It might take a while to get to that dam that's close to your house. When we get there, we will shoot the missiles at the dam's wall and cause the flood. Good thing we did this at night. Because most people are sleeping.
I know, right? I can't wait to flood everything.
Alright. We are about to pass by the dam. Get ready to shoot the missiles.
All of my family is about to die.
What's with all this water noise? Oh my god. There's a freaking flood.
Honey, what's going on?
Well, we are freaking having a flood.
Wait. What? Really?
Yes. We have to get to the roof and wait for help.
This is literally awesome. Look at all those houses flooded. And no one knowing it was us.
I know, right? Let's go back to my house and celebrate.
Yeah. Good idea.
Well, at least now we know that some soldiers were the ones who broke that dam. But why would they do that?
I don't really know. By the way, have you seen Pinkfong?
Oh. Not really. Maybe he died. By the way, the cameras I left in Pinkfong's room 2 days ago are still working. So we should probably go and check even though it's flooded.
Yeah. Good idea.
It's the perfect time to sneak
Wait.
out.
This looks suspicious. Okay. You will not believe what I will say to you. Well, Pinkfong was behind all of this.
Oh my gosh. You got to be kidding me. We have to say this to the police.
Well, thanks for telling us. We will try to look for those two troublemakers and get them. To you.
Thank you a lot, police.
So we found your son and some other troublemakers.
Thank you. Can you take care of the others? I need them for a punishment day.
Sure thing. Let me get your son out for the punishment day.
Wow. Did you really had to do that? You do realize you killed a lot of people. You are grounded. And now, it's time for a punishment day. You little brat.
No, please. Not another punishment day. The last one I had was horrible.
Well, breaking a dam's wall and causing a flood is also horrible. So deal with it, you brat. For your first punishment, you will see your friends dying.
Oh no.
Second punishment. Watching 20 creepypastas.
What? No. There's no way I'm doing that.
Deal with it.
Oh my freaking god. I'm not sleeping for 2 months now.
Third punishment. Staying an hour with Bestie the hippo of the lion guard that's sick.
What? Are you kidding me?
Oh, look, the pooping ground.
That was so freaking disgusting. I literally vomited like 40 times.
Well, maybe if you didn't break that dam, none of that would happen.
Wait a minute. Don't tell me you're gonna make me fight the tiger.
Yeah. For your fourth punishment.
Wait, what?
And now, for the final punishment, you shall face execution.